The APA reference list. The reference page is at the end of the paper before the appendices. Start the reference page on a new page. You can use Control and Enter to force a new page break. Center the title references and make it bold. Capitalize the R in references. Note that the title references stands alone and is not followed by a colon, and it's not underlined. If you only have one reference, you can use the title reference, singular, instead of references, plural. Note that references are all double-spaced like the rest of your document. There are no extra lines between references, and references are sorted in alphabetical order. There should be a reference for every source used in your paper, and there should not be any extra references for sources that are not in your paper. Indent the second and subsequent lines of each reference 1/2 inch. This is called a hanging indent. There are multiple ways to create a hanging indent in Microsoft Word. One way is to use the ruler. View the ruler by clicking on View Ruler on the toolbar. Click and drag the lower triangle marker to the right 1/2 inch. Note you must be using the lower marker and not the top marker and not both markers. Another method is to use the paragraph dialog box. Select the references and right-click inside your references and choose Format Paragraph, or you can choose Format Paragraph from the toolbar. Choose Hanging under Special and by 1/2 inch. Each reference should begin with its author's last name, followed by their first initial and middle initial if available. If there are multiple authors, separate them with a comma and use an ampersand between the last two authors. The author may be an organizational author, such as an association. If the author is unknown, begin with the name of the work, such as the name of the article. Follow the author by the year of publication in parentheses, then the name of the work, the journal and journal information if applicable, or the URL if applicable, or the publisher. When you use an electronic source, note that retrieve by, retrieve from is no longer used. State the URL directly without retrieved from. Academic publications require the DOI, Digital Object Identifier, which is a permanent location URL. Italicize the names of books, journals, and web pages. Continue building your APA reference page until all of your sources are present. I hope this helps you in building your APA reference page.